Yo, guys, what's good? This is your boy Dangerous Sid coming at you with another vid. What I just saw on Charlie Intel, Activision Blizzard's second quarter 2016 results recap. Infinite Warfare pre-orders down in game content. Their pre-orders is down for Infinite Warfare. I'm not surprised. A lot of people's they're giving up on COD. I'm still like debating on what it's a pre-order, so I could just bring a COD for gameplay and then in-game content sales increase, aka microtransactions. Let's go ahead and read this. Okay. Let's go ahead to the okay. For the first thing they revealed was Call of Duty in-game content sales were at a record high this year, driven by Call of Duty Black Ops 3 map packs and supply drops. They revealed that in-game content sales has doubled since last year for Call of Duty. Bro, that is insane. That basically means everybody is using their own credit card, their debit card, their mother's card for in-game content. Bro, I did that once and I still regret. I only put $20 in, but I still regret it. I had the seasons pass of Black Ops 3, so I basically get the maps for free. But bro, like they're doubled. The records doubled. Bro, the last Call of Duty was Advanced Warfare, which who came out with the supply drops. People was dropping money on them shits like crazy. But bro, come on, these shits doubled. Let's go ahead and read some more. From May 2016 through August 2016, Activision Blizzard, the entire company across the board, across the across all of the publishers' titles, made over $1 billion from just in-game content sales. The press release notes that in-game content sales refers DLC map packs, loot boxes, supply drops, and more. Activision also confirmed that Call of Duty Black Ops 3 continues to be next the best-selling next-generation console title life to date. Bro, that is insane. What is these people doing? Bro, you're spending money on all these loot boxes, all these supply drops for shit that's not gonna transfer over to the next game. That's why I stopped playing my team. That is why I stopped playing MUT. Madden Ultimate Team is not gonna transfer over to the next game. Bro, this is insane. Your sales double. You make $1 billion just from in-game content? Bro, this is fucking insane, man. Yo, in regards to Call of Duty esports, Activision announced that Call of Duty World League had over 33 million views accumulated from the first stage of events, which is a 5 times increase compared to last year's. Activision states that they anticipate that the upcoming Call of Duty World League Championship, set to take place September 1st through 4th at Call of Duty XP, will feature a 2 million prize pool, which will be the most watched Call of Duty esports to date. Esports event to date. In regards to Call of Duty, oh yeah, I'm gonna stop at this article. We're gonna go back talking about like in-game content. I'm gonna just read this part right here. In regards to Call of Duty Infinite Warfare, Activision CEO confirmed that overall pre-order numbers are down this year compared to last year. They stated that this company has made marketing adjustments, including to having a huge event at Call of Duty XP to review Infinite Warfare multiplayer and talk more about the entire game. CEO said that the team at, at Infinity Ward is extremely excited and proud of Call of Duty Infinite Warfare. I'm I'm gonna check it out. I'm of course everybody's gonna see some people's gonna see COD XP. I might see it because I like watching like pros go at it. Maybe you can learn like some people can learn a thing or two from watching it. Who knows? Can learn some uh, They just need to get rid of all these fucking head glitching spots, which is insane. But we're gonna go back to talking about $1 billion from just in-game content, bro. Who's doing this? And like I said, it's majority little kids, bro, that's wasting their parents' money, bro. I understand you're making $1 billion off of game sales, but no, you're making $1 billion from just in-game content, loot boxes, supply drops. That's not gonna transfer over to the next game. Like, the only way I will spend more money on in-game content is if PlayStation gives me money for buying other shit in the PlayStation Store. Because if y'all don't know, PlayStation will give you like $15 or more, if I'm not mistaken, for spending like $100 and something dollars on. You know how much time them people got money from PlayStation from by doing that, bro. You're wasting like your parents' credit card, debit card. Like, you're using your allowance money to buy COD points, loot drops, so you can hope to get in that MX Grand, maybe that costume, one of the costumes for Reaper, for Tracer, Roadhog, Bastion. Like, bro, y'all really gotta stop this. This is insane. Oh my god, $1 billion in just in-game content from May 2016 through August. In 4 months? In 4 months? So they basically earned 250 million. Bro, they're just sitting down and watching this shit grow. They earn 250 million per month. Oh my god, this is insane, man. Yeah, I know. Oh my god, it just hit me. $1 billion in in-game content, which is that's fucking crazy. I'm gonna get off this topic, man. If y'all see anything I should talk about, let me know. Um, when that Call of Duty trailer drops, I'm definitely gonna see that trailer. That trailer really, I don't know. I just want to see the COD 4 trailer. Like, I don't care about Infinite Warfare's multiplayer. I'm gonna try. If that's a big if. If I get the game, I'm going to try it out, of course. But if I do get it, most likely it's gonna be for COD 4. Go back to the old days with my boys, etc. But yo, $1 billion in in-game content, bro, from May 2016 through August. Oh my god. Whatever, man. I can't deal with this. I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Follow me on Twitter. It's gonna be in the description below. I'm gonna put a link to the article so y'all guys can read it. But yeah, this is Dangerous Sid. Follow me on Twitter. And if y'all have any like articles y'all think I should know about, let me know in the description below, and I'll talk about it. If I find it interesting, I'll talk about it. Yeah, talk to you guys later. I'm out. Peace.